Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube channel. So let's get into it. First of all, head over to youtube.com and click sign in the top right corner. Then log in using the Google account you'd like your channel to be associated with. In the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon and then click Create a Channel. In your channel dashboard, click Customize Channel. Go through the three tabs, Layout, Branding, and Basic Info, to enter information that will help optimize your channel for audience discovery. Under Branding, you'll have the opportunity to upload your picture, banner image, and video watermark to give your channel a unique look. Upload your first YouTube video. To upload your first video, hit the Create button in the top right corner and click Upload Videos. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.